Hello everyone and welcome to MCQs. In this video, I will present MCQs on Indian economic environment, which is a general paper of economics in FYBA of SPPU syllabus. The MCQs are based on lesson number 3, that is industrial environment. So let's begin. Question number 1. The MSME sector employs dash percent workforce of India. Options are 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%. The right option is option C, that is 40%. The MSME sector employs 40% workforce of India. Next question. Full form of MNC is, the right option is multinational corporation. Option C is correct answer. So full form of MNC is multinational corporation. Next question. Labor issues are solved in, options are National Green Tribunal, Supreme Court, Labour Court, any district court. The right option is option C, that is Labour Court. Labor issues are solved in Labour Court. Next question. Full form of MSME is, of course the right answer is micro, small and medium enterprises. So the full form of MSME is micro, small and medium enterprises. Next question. In production sector, what is the upper limit of investment in plant and machinery in micro enterprises? Options are 5 lakh, rupees 25 lakh, 50 lakh, 1 crore. The right option is rupees 25 lakh. Come to the next question. In production sector, what is the upper limit of investment in plant and machinery in medium enterprises? The right option is rupees 25 crore to rupees 25 crore. Next question. Which of the following are characteristics of multinational corporations? Options are very large in size, centrally controlled by parent company. Only option A is correct. D, both A and B options are correct. So the right answer is option D, that is both A and B options. So the characteristics of multinational corporations include that they are very large in size and controlled centrally by parent company. Indian multinational corporations, odd one out from the following. Options are Tata Motors, Dr. Reddy, Ranbaxy, Apple Inc. So the right option is Apple Inc. Question number 24. Odd one out related to Indian industries and regional imbalance. Options are inherited from British government, different geographical and climate conditions, scattered population, and the weaker regional representation at central government. So odd one out, right option is option C, that is scattered population. Next question. Which of the following is financing problem for industries in India? Options are lack of government supports, willful defaulters, skilled labor, higher income tax. The right option is option B, that is willful defaulters. Question number 26. Which of the following is not technological problem for Indian industries? Options are A. Lack of patents, small investment in R&D, unskilled IT professionals. D. Lack of innovation and invention. The right option is unskilled IT professionals. Question number 27. Which of the following is not labor problem for Indian industries? A. Unskilled labor, lack of manpower, unskilled organization, absenteeism. The right option is lack of manpower. Dash dash is the apex financial institution responsible for the development of MSMEs in India. The right option is SIDBI, option C. Small Industries Development Bank of India. Option C is correct. SIDBI is the apex financial institution responsible for the development of MSMEs in India. Next question. Tax on imports can be created as. Right option is trade barriers. So tax on imports can be created as tax barriers. The last question. The population of dash dash are counted in the labor force in a country. The right option is option B, 15 to 64 years of age. The population of 15 to 64 years are counted in the labor force of a country. Thank you very much.